Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about the right-hand rule. Goal: use the right-hand rule algorithm to navigate around walls. I'm going to skip the middle even though it's very short and go to example and 1, 2 because the example is pretty long. The example is navigate around wall. If blocked, to the right, move forward. Else, turn right, move forward. Whilst not on close switch, navigate around wall. If it's on gem, collect gem, turn around, toggle switch. Based on the Pizza, I can't really say this, the Pizza Dough code above, write out a solution in code for the puzzle. 2. Run the code in the tweak algorithm and if necessary to solve the puzzle. So on this function, it already gives you the function navigate around wall. It's going to say if is blocked right, move forward, else turn right, move forward. And then it has a while is on gem, is not on gem, navigate around wall. And this while is actually wrong because we're going to do a while around this code, which is going to be kind of weird at the same time. So we're going to say is not on close switch. I'm going to tap on this and you see where the 2 dots are. Bring this code inside and then take this while out of the is not blocked and put if. And then after this code, I'm going to return. It has to be inside the other if code. And now we're going to do another if code saying if is on gem, collect gem, turn left, turn left. Well, after this, we're going to do code toggle switch. Just say toggle switch. Because if we said if is on close switch, but it's always going to be on the close switch. So there's no difference of saying if is on close switch. And I'm running it faster. I usually like running super really fast because it's kind of annoying when it doesn't go that fast. So yeah. And you toggle to switch. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!